So today I have another assignment which you're gonna build on top of what you did yesterday. So basically, guys, you're gonna open the assignment that you did yesterday, you modify it, and then you save it in a new studio. So here's the thing, guys. You are able to save the same assignment in different studios, okay? You can keep the same file in different folders, same as studios. So please, I'm gonna show you how to do that. It is simple. All you have to do is just open your assignment, make the changes, and then just save it in a different studio. Okay? Now, this is what we're gonna do. Today, students will use project programmed yesterday and then add 2 more backdrops. So how many backdrops did you have yesterday? We had 1. We add 2 more. Now, there will be 3 backdrops altogether. Every backdrop will have a different door. Sprite will enter the door and then teleport to another backdrop. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna first open a Scratch. So you remember your usernames, okay? Now, how do we find what we did before? You see this little tiny folder, Mason? Here, next to your username. So that's where all your assignments are stored. So what we want to do is go there and then locate the date that was yesterday. What was the date yesterday? January 18th. I have several because I do things for 2 different classes. Okay, so let me pick this one, January 18th. So I'm gonna, you see this button says see inside. You're gonna click on see inside because you're entering it. All right. Guys, this is what we're gonna do first. First thing, what we want to do is we want to go click on backdrop here. You see here, and then you're gonna see backdrop over here. So you want to have 2 more backdrops in here. Backdrop number 1, it's called blue sky. Let's add 2 more. Okay, from here, choose another backdrop. For instance, let's do this castle 2. It's loading. You see, I have blue sky, castle 2, and then also add another one, which will be, let's see, desert. You know what? Let me delete this one. I want to add something brighter. This is kind of dark. For instance, it can be maybe Jurassic. So I have blue sky, desert, and then Jurassic. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add. So you see how many sprites I have here, guys? How many sprites? 1. I want to add 3 more, but those 3 will be things that look like a door or some sort of entrance. Okay. So let's add 3 doors. It can be any backdrop for now. For instance, it could be first one. Just go click on here. You see this cat head, and then add door. So look up for a door. Type door. Let's see if we have options here. No, we don't. All right. Looks like we don't have a door option. So what we're gonna do is we will draw it then. So guys, click on here, sprite, and then you see this brush. The brush allows you to draw. So click on brush, and then here we're gonna draw a door. So what shape are the doors usually? Rectangle. Just you can have a rectangle like this. All right. Just color it. For instance, this color. You can add a text. Click on it and type door to desert, for instance. All right. The color of my letters can be changed to. You see door to the desert. Can you guys see it? Door to desert. That's my door. Now I want to make this door smaller. Let's make it smaller. For instance, not 100, but 40. Have this door in here. Okay? You're going to add 2 more doors. This is door number 1. Click here again. So let's another door. Again, click on paint brush. All right, this time choose a different color. For instance, blue door. Here. And then you can also name it. You can name it door 2, Jurassic Park. Door to Jurassic Park. Name it door 2. Change it from 100 size to 40. And then just move it to the left side. So we have how many doors now? So I'm adding another door. So far I have 2. 1, 2. I need one more. Again, we're going to click on cat head. Click on this paint. And then make another door of different color. For instance, we can keep pick green color, dark green. All right, rectangle again. Now, so this is kind of big. Let's make it from 100 size to 40 size. Or actually, let's make it 60. And then name it door 3. This is important, guys. You name this door number 1. You see door number 1. This one is named door number 2. This one is named door number 3. So you guys have to name it correctly or properly because it's gonna make it easier to define which door is which. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna click on the sprite that you're gonna make move around. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do now is click on your sprite, the bat, and we're gonna program it now. So what we're gonna do about this? So if you check under events, you know, what do you guys see here? One is sprite. All right, I'm looking for the right one. All right, let's get the green blocks. You're right. So guys, if you're done with the doors, you have to pay attention because you're gonna miss the detail. Now, you click on your sprite and then you click on this flag, right? Can you please add a flag? Now, next thing is, well, we're gonna go to control. Under control, we have forever. You see forever? We have forever. And then we also do need this one. You see this if with a little diamond? And then you also put it in here, inside the forever. So again, first you put forever to the flag, attach it. Okay? And then you have this one. You see if with a diamond, and you put it inside it. When I click on flag, it's going to do something forever. Are you following? So next thing is, are you going to click on sense? You see sensing here? Sensing. Can you guys see sensing? Under sensing, we have touching. You take this touching, it is a diamond shape, right? Because it fits here, Isabella. It is a diamond because it fits here. When you guys put it there, you want to pick, let's say, door number 1. You see door number 1? So 1, this bat is touching door number 1, what's going to happen is it is going to change the backdrop. Does it make sense? Again, you put diamond touching and then you change it to door 1. So you see if bat is touching door number 1, which one is door number 1? This red one. What's going to happen is it's going to change the backdrop. Where is my backdrop? It is under, I think, under looks. Yes, switch backdrop. You see backdrop here? You put it here. I'm going to switch to Jurassic. So look, I'm moving my bat now. You see, when it's touching the red door, it's in Jurassic. It's already in Jurassic. Let me change the backdrop. You know what? I'm going to make this guy smaller. It's way too big. Let's say if you were on a different backdrop, for example, in desert, this is what would happen. Look at the bat. I'm going to move the bat. If it touches the red door, you see it takes him to Jurassic. It isn't, he's in Jurassic right now. You understand? All right. Click on the bat. Again, this is what we did. Like, this is what we added for the bat. Okay? We're going to duplicate this one again. You see duplicate and then put it under it. So I have 2 of those. You see 2 if blocks. How many if blocks do I have? 2. How many do I need? I actually need 3 because 1 for each door. Duplicate it one more time. So you see, I have 3 if blocks. If touching door number 1, take me to Jurassic. If touching door number 2, take me to desert. If touching door number 3, take me to blue sky. So every door assigned a different backdrop. Does it make sense? Now I'm testing it. Look, guys. I'm gonna go to the door, and you see I'm in desert. Go to the different door, and you are in a black sky. Does it make sense? That's what we did now.